Tezos is going to be the next altcoin to explode, in my opinion. It's lagging behind the market. Ethereum's popping off. So usually that means more altcoins start to pop off too. And I think Tezos is going to be the next one to do so. That sounds good to you guys. Make sure you watch the entire video. Now let's jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the daily chart for Tezos, we're going to take a quick look at a couple charts on the daily and weekly, 4-hour, a bunch of different time frames. So I can show you guys a bunch of different trend lines that are perfectly correlating with each other and why the last dip we just had is absolutely so bullish. So let's take a look here, guys. We had this downwards resistance line. So there's only 2 points of resistance, but before you guys get ahead of yourself and say, oh, there's only 2 points of resistance, just take a look, guys. We got 2 points of resistance, but if we continue this down, look how we got support on this perfectly, right? We got support on it here, support, support, and support, right? That's not a coincidence to me. And I think it's absolutely crazy that this downward sloping resistance line is now turned into support, which you guys know is extremely, extremely bullish, especially for an altcoin that's kind of lagging behind the market a little bit, right? We're seeing other altcoins pump because Bitcoin's pumping, right? It's usually Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum pumps a little harder, and then the other altcoins kind of follow suit. So Tezos is going to be the next one, and this is exactly why. We're getting a bounce off this trend line here. And also, we're getting support in the most critical point for Tezos on this daily chart, right? So we had this green line here. We had support on this once here. And this was resistance all throughout this consolidation period after the bear market. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And now we've gotten support on it once and twice now. And look exactly where these things meet. This is where we're getting this kind of support. So this is actually a huge area for Tezos, and why I think this is just going to continue us. Maybe we continue down on this until Bitcoin makes another move up. Once Bitcoin makes another move up, I see this thing at least going back and retesting this local high here. So we're going to take a look at the next chart for Tezos here, guys. And that is this also on the daily chart, right? So we're going to take a look at many long-term charts in this video and show why I'm so long-term bullish for Tezos, because it is lagging behind the market a little bit, like I said, guys. But as you guys can see, we got support on this top green line here once, and then it was our resistance, right? And we kind of formed this ascending triangle, which is extremely bullish pattern, as you guys know, and we ended up breaking out of it, as you guys can see here. So we got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches, got a little bit of a fake out, and then I think we would have continued up here if this back in March didn't happen, but we came back into the triangle, and we got support on this bottom green line where we got support once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times here, as you guys can see. If I circle all the times we got support on this line, it's absolutely insane, right? And same thing for resistances. 1 resistance, 2 resistance. This one didn't go all the way up. We got 3 resistance, and we got 4 resistance before actually breaking up. And now we're getting support right on the top of the triangle, right? Another perfectly correlated thing of why this bounce makes so much sense. And not only do we just bounce off the top of this triangle, we're also bouncing off, confirming that we're keeping this upward support line, and we're getting we got another bounce and another bounce right off this upward sloping kind of support line that we had from the ascending triangle, right? So this is all adding up onto why that Tezos will continue higher. And we're going to keep looking at it going on into this next chart here for the longer term time frame. I think we're just kind of in this ascending channel. You guys might think, oh, this is a bear flag, right? Usually these bear flags tend to go down, but not necessarily. They do go up a lot of the times, and I think if Bitcoin continues to go up, we're going to see Tezos at least test the top of this upwards sloping ascending channel, at least the top of this, right? The top resistance. So as you guys can see, we've only gotten 2 touches on the top. So I'd like to see one more touch to kind of confirm this, but we have gotten 1 touch, 2 touches, and 3 touches on the bottom now. I want to see us get a bounce here and continue up. And if we can retest the top of this here, that would kind of confirm this for me. And I think we might just continue on bouncing up and down like kind of crazily in this channel, right? And until we break out of this channel, I don't see too much happening besides that. So That's kind of what I want to talk about Tezos today. I want to take a quick look at Ethereum as well today, guys, because Ethereum leads the market for these altcoins. So when I talk about Ethereum, I like to look at the Bitcoin charts at the end of my video to kind of see what Bitcoin's doing. Because if Bitcoin pumps, we're going to see Ethereum pump. Usually a little couple percentages higher because Ethereum is a little bit more liquid than Bitcoin is. But as you can see, Ethereum just broke out of this descending triangle, which is typically a bearish pattern, but we actually got a bullish breakout out of it right here, right? This is actually huge, and we're pumping out of this descending triangle. And as long as Ethereum's going up, the reason why I'm looking at this is because as long as Ethereum's going up, we're going to see many of the altcoins, at least the higher cap ones, make gains as well. So this is going to be huge for Tezos if we keep seeing Ethereum keep making gains and we keep seeing Bitcoin keep making gains. We all want gains, right? We all want gains, and this is exactly why I'm buying Tezos, because we're seeing such a big pump out of Ethereum, and we pretty much haven't seen much of a pump out of Tezos yet. If we go to a shorter term time frame here, we haven't really seen much out of Tezos. If we switch back over to the 4 hour here, we barely gotten a pump, right? We pumped from about $2 to about $2.30, and it's kind of lagging behind Ethereum. So that's kind of the video for today, guys. Just a quick update on Tezos. Not too long of a video because I do have a busy day ahead of me today. I hope you guys have a busy day ahead of you as well. You guys are getting those side hustles in. You guys are working on improving your life, getting in the gym, going to meet new people, just doing things that are going to improve your life every single day. That's what I want to see for you guys. That's what I'm taking the end of this video kind of touching on, because I think sometimes, especially during this pandemic, we lose sight of, what you want in life. Do you want to improve your life and live the best life as possible, or you just want to be kind of consistent and just kind of live, a mediocre life? I know, at least for me, I work every day to make my life better. I'm always in the gym, making these videos for you guys. I have a side business as well, and I also have my full-time job. So I have such a busy life that, I look forward to the weekends like today, where it's actually a beautiful day where I live. In October, it's usually pretty cold, but it's pretty great today. So hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Like always, press that subscribe button down below if you guys watch my videos all the time and you're not subscribed. It makes my day. I'd love to chat you guys in the comments, so leave whatever you want in the comment section below. What altcoins you guys want me to talk about, whatever you guys want to see. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.